Hey everyone, this is David Brown from Birds. In this video, I will teach you the basics of identifying red-shouldered hawks. The red-shouldered hawk is in the Buteo genus, along with species like red-tailed hawk and broad-winged hawk. Red shoulders are smaller than red tails, but slightly larger than broad-wings. Adult red-shouldered hawks have an orange body and black tail with multiple thin white bands. Think lines on a chalkboard. Adults also have a dark trailing edge to the wing. The shoulder area does not have the dark patagial bars that red tails have. For the first year, red-shouldered hawks are in juvenile plumage, which is more plain with a white body and brown streaking. The tail has thin brown bands. Red-shouldered hawks have 5 feathers at the wingtip, giving them a blunt, squared-off shape, compared to the more pointed wingtips of broad-winged hawks. The upper side of an adult red-shouldered hawk has a bold black and white pattern, plus red on the head, shoulders, and back. Juveniles are brown on top. Both adults and juveniles have thin, translucent crescents near the wingtips that are visible when the sun shines through them. These crescents are one of the best field marks to look for on distant birds. When perched, adult red-shouldered hawks are distinctive, but juveniles look almost identical to juvenile broad-winged hawks. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more educational birding content. You can also visit our website at lycobirds.com. This is David Brown. Thanks for watching.